What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. Saturday, October 28th. I've been off in California all week, so no live stream until today. But gonna be jumping back into the project that I was working on. I did cheat a little bit. I did work on the airplane and then once at the office, but I didn't do that much, and I can go over it. It was about maybe 2 hours worth of work, and did a lot of cleanup. So hopefully things are a little bit easier to run through. Anyways, I am going to hop on over to my screen. All right. Sorry, it's just a video I was in the middle of watching, and then I was like, oh yeah, I should probably come stream. It's been over a week. It's been too long. What's up, casual columnist? How you doing today? Give me a second. I just realized that maybe I could turn on another light. All right, that's good. How's the you're interviewing, right? Or were you studying? I forget which one it was. And in any case, how is what you were doing going? Have you made progress is really what I'm asking. All right. Here's some of the work that I was doing. I also lied. I cheated. I did work on this for about 10 minutes before I was like, oh yeah, I should stream this. So this is why my screen is already kind of set up a little bit. I have the developer tools for the browser up here. I have my browser, Firefox Developer Edition down here, and my text editor. I'm using VS Code today, along with GitHub Desktop, which is just sitting here, but it normally will be off to the side and I'll pull it over when I need to. And I also have the, what do you call this thing? Table Plus. One other thing that I need to have open that I don't have open yet, because I haven't actually gotten deep into this, is my, whatever you call this thing, my HTTP client. I think that's what they call these. All right, doing both. All right, well, that's good. Making progress. Studying and, all right, well, how's that going? All right, let's see here. All right, I also have the project that's already running. I did some refactors, right? So I'll kind of go through that very quickly. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because it's not important in my opinion. But I now moved most of my server-side database calls now live in this file here. It's called Supabase. I don't really care about the name right now, but now it's nice to have all this kind of just in one place because I was reusing certain things. Some of the other things is I've renamed some folders or some paths. So there's now YouTube off, and now it handles both the beginning and end of the authentication flow. So here's the get and then there's the post. I think I've updated these, probably not. I may need to go back to Google and update these so that it knows that it's the same path. It's just, you know, it'll be a post. Create integration key was renamed. YouTube active broadcast was renamed. In fact, that may go away one day. And then create GitHub file, that's the new one that I did the other day. The other stuff, let's go to this YouTube active. So now I think this is much cleaner than what it was. Before it was just like much more than this. I still have to do this check to make sure that I'm actually getting the result, but it's whatever, I don't care. All right, so that's that. This right here is gonna load videos, as you can see here. But I wanna make another function to look for the latest broadcast. Or I guess I could just call it, you know what, I'll just call it. Let me bring Paw over to my other monitor. It's probably for the best. Let me bring all of my little tools to this monitor over here. What I'll do is I'll bring them back and forth as needed. All right, so we'll come back to here. Okay, so what I want to do is get the active Broadcast. Yes. Now I wonder if that's still in here. Get fetch live broadcast. Yes, it is. Okay. So I forgot that this is. Nope, never mind. I'm thinking of something else. Let's run this. Uh-oh. Profile fetch error. JSON object requested, multiple or no rows returned. Okay, so I guess this is today's objective is to get through this. Let's see. I applied for some financial jobs. I've been reviewing stats at my econometrics more than coding this week. I see. Finance jobs. What type of stuff in finance are you going for? Because I think finance is pretty broad, just like most other industries. There's lots of different things that you can do. I'm gonna go into a debug shell for this. All right, so we have the debug shell, and I'm pretty sure it's failing right here on this get Google credits, which I thought I wrote a function called get Google credits too. And I'm pretty sure I'm not using that function right now. Let's confirm. I do. See, look, I know I wasn't full of shit. Look at that. So we're gonna get data dot. Let's call this E for now because I don't have a good name for it. And we'll call it data dot integration credentials. All right, so this is going to be the integration credentials. We'll just call them credentials like that. And ideally, they exist. All right, so let's go back to here. And instead of saying get Google credits, we're just gonna put 2. And I guess I gotta import it. And technically I don't get back data anymore. I just get back credentials, the thing that I wanted all along. And then set is gonna be JSON. Okay, so I wanna like make these as Google credentials or something, which would be integration, configuration of Google. I wonder if it's not, yes, it's unhappy. All right, what's up, Aries? Been inspired to create coding club in school. How have you been? Oh, that's good. Coding club is cool. I don't know if we had a coding club when I was in school. Maybe we did. I don't remember. Coding wasn't that big when I was younger. Although my high school, we did have a AP computer science course. Well, we had 2, 1 and 2. It's a full year. And then we had like a regular computer programming course. I did all of them in engineering. It was pretty dope. Research at a few Fed banks. Oh, I knew someone once upon a time that worked at the Fed here in Houston. Well, it's not, I don't know if it's an official Fed, but we have a Fed building here, not far from where I live. We have a big Fed bank in Dallas though, or in Dallas area. I don't know if it's technically in Dallas, but it's in that area. As credentials, I don't know about all that. Did I define a type called credentials at one point in my life? I probably did. think I did. Well, oh, those credentials. Okay, that's credentials. But can I use that? Oh, okay. I have a type issue. I'm pretty sure if I ran this, it would be okay.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna print this out just to confirm to myself and to all of you. Actually, I happen to I know for a fact that it has the value in there. It's just a matter of I need Google to know about these values now. So I'm gonna run this, hopefully. Maybe. And let's drop a breakpoint just before. So we'll put one right here. Profile fetch error. What? Alright, let's get to the bottom of that first. Alright, so we're gonna grab our profile. The authorization is busted. I have a feeling I know what's causing this. Alright. My hypothesis is that the integration key that I have on this machine is no longer accurate because when I was working on my laptop to do this, I had to create another one. So I'm just gonna come over here and recreate it. I think I have a button to do that. I hope I have a button to do that. Of course I don't. Okay, fuck. Why would I have a button to make my life easier? Alright, fine. I will use my key. So we'll do create integration key. Okay, and the auth is wrong too. Okay, that part too. So let's grab this off. This is why I need a button on the page, because then I have to do silly things like this. This is going to fail the copy correctly. Yep, there we are. So I got to do the song and dance and then delete that. Okay, there we are. We get back a new key. All right, now with this new key, I can do the whatever I was trying to do. I've already forgotten. Ugh. I think it was this. There we are. Now we're at least getting past the authorization here. So now we get no Google credentials for the user. Let's find that. No Google. Oh wait, no, this is body. Let's look for body. Wrong file. All right, so it's failing here. Let's do more. Let's do a little bit better in life. We'll pass in the ID. No, never mind. Yeah, never mind. This is fine. This is good. Okay. So it's failing here. So this is saying that there are no credentials. That this is effectively nothing. I don't know if that's the case, but let's see. You should get a log here on my screen here. Okay, credentials is empty. So we're gonna come back to here. Profile ID, this is the problem here. There is no ID on profile. I don't know why that didn't work. Well, I don't know why I didn't get types for that. It should have told me that. Let's redo this. See if we get back a better result. We do. We get back the credentials. We get back my fake testing right here, and then the actual Google credentials that I need. All right. Cool. Now I got to figure out how to get it into here. So this is the work that I've already kind of started, and that's what I was kind of hinting at. Let me move this to here, and I want to show what I'm doing. This table is going away. It's dead to me. I don't even know if it's still in use. It might be. If it is, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting rid of it, and I've moved it into this column called integration credits, which is a JSONB column right there. Right, so at the moment I'm storing arbitrary, in air quotes, data, although I do have a type that I've defined called integration credential. Maybe not. I'm pretty sure I have something in here called integration credentials. Integration. Maybe I don't. All right, well, I thought I had something in here called that, but maybe I don't have it. In any event, there is something that's going to enforce a type, and it's called a schema, and I can give it to Supabase to do that. I'm not gonna do that yet. I gotta figure out how to get this to where I want it to be, which is into Google. All right, yeah. Dallas has an official one. Okay. What's new? I joined a robotics workshop. It's been fun. I love it. Oh, that's cool. I've never done robotics, but it seems more interesting than all of what I've ever done, because everything you're doing has an effect in the real world. Whereas with what I do, it's all virtual. Sure, it could eventually end up having a consequence in the real world, but that first requires attaching it to a physical device that can do something within space, aka a robot or some other machine. A lot of my stuff is all information based. What's up, Yanni? How you doing? See this new, well, it's not really new, but like, see the setup though, this new light that I got, it's fucking dope. All right, got to figure out what I can do to massage this thing right here into this thing right here. I think I can do credentials.google if I type it to the thing that I thought that I had that I don't, apparently. Okay. I think I have it. So the first step is to figure out like what I could have been thinking, that's always hard, and where I could have put it. This type of a thing that I'm saying that I may have created. Oh, look at that. I did create it. And I created it in Supabase. Sure, I'm gonna take it. So we're gonna take this integration configuration, and this is going to be a that. All right, so we're gonna say as a that. Okay, it doesn't like that. Fair enough. Okay, fair enough. It doesn't like it, but that's okay. I think I can deal with this somehow. We'll say credentials, and maybe I can do something like this. And then say as. I know, all right, so I was just testing to see if it'll at least syntax highlight. It won't. Oh my gosh, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna do it here. So Google whatever that was called, Google creds 2. Yeah, this is going to be as integration configuration. And make sure that, yeah, perfect. I'm thinking that maybe this is not technically right as is, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of this right here. So we're gonna say if data, then we'll grab it, otherwise we'll return null, or I guess undefined. That's what it was before. It's the same interface. I want to make sure the interface is the same. There we go. So you see here, this says that or undefined. All right, so now if I come back here, maybe I can do credentials dot Google and then say as credentials. Or do I control? No, I don't. Shit. I was gonna be like, if I control this, then all right. So here's the alternative. I should be able to just do this. Yes. So it's happy with that. So what I'll do is I'll spread out credentials. Maybe. What did I call it? Is it? Wait, can I not do that now? All right, so apparently I can't just spread my okay, fine, whatever. It's cool. I'll just do it the hard way, which is this way. So we'll do credentials dot. Wait a minute, I've confused myself. Why? All right, hold on. I'm confused now. Why did it do that? We're gonna call this data. At least the interface will be consistent, and I won't have this weird credentials dot whatever thing. Okay. So we're gonna get access token. And honestly, I don't even care about data. I only care about Google, which, okay, I can't get access to that yet because we don't know if there's no data. I think it's better to just check if there's an error. All right, cool. Now we have the token. Maybe it's, wait, why did I do data? Oh, I did. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I have to do data like this because my types are retarded. All right. Wait, you was about to say what, Yanni? My bad. My bad. What are you talking about? Let me run this again and see what happens. All right, so that's null as I would expect. Data is what, okay. And then Google credential access token. Let's just, we'll get the scope, see if that works. Excuse me. Come to the debug console for that. We'll grab data, Google, expiry. I guess that's good enough. Oh, it doesn't work. It don't like that. Unexpected end of input. I don't know what that means. Let's, oh, we're getting there. Is it the same one? Cannot read properties. Undefined reading access token. All right, so it's coming back undefined for some reason. Let's throw a breakpoint here. Let's just start it at the source. All right, we see, Will, you smart. I would love to learn from you one-on-one. When I get money, I will be able to pay for your time. Would I be, I suppose. We shall see. I'm trying to do more of what I'm doing now. And it's kind of hard, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie, because it takes a lot of time and I want to start doing more videos. All right, well, first let's read this. What am I even doing here? I'm going to this thing, okay. Do I get back a result or do I get back an error? Okay, do I get back data? Oops, shit. Okay, so I do get back the data here. Okay, that's good to know at the least. You know what? It may be, oh man, I might be better off just manually putting it in an object versus just casting. But let's see. Let's keep going forward. So I get back my data, which should be of type whatever it is, or it should be interpreted as that. Okay. So I only see Google. These are wrong. I don't know where this is coming from. All of these are wrong. I wonder why it's doing that. Where's Google credentials? I wonder why did I do this? What was I thinking? I don't know what I was thinking here, but that shouldn't have. Yeah, that does have an effect. God damn it. Okay, so I can only cast this if that's the real cast, I think. So it's gonna fail again. So, oh my gosh. I think the easiest thing for me to do is just to remove this credentials thing. But if I do that, then it won't read from the database, because I think the database has it as that. Or maybe that's the problem. Maybe the database doesn't have it as that. Let's open it up. What the hell? Do that. Okay. I think that's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem. The database it's not respecting the schema. So there's two options I have. I can respect the schema, or I can just say screw the schema. I'm gonna go with screw the schema. It's a lot easier to do, a lot faster rather. It may not be the smartest thing, but I don't care anymore. All right, cool. So if I come back here, we can get rid of all of these credentials. And they're always going to be optional because someone may choose not to have this, although it makes no sense if they're using this thing. And by they, I mean me. All right, so we get back my data. I think I can get rid of this breakpoint. We'll go on. All right, we get back the data, which now looks like, okay, that's the same thing. But now when I come down to this line, just remove that breakpoint. Let's run this statement first. We'll do data.google.access token. All right, so it doesn't fail this time. All right, look at that. We get back the new access token. And this is where things are just gonna go downhill from here, probably. Oh wait, no, never mind. Wait, what is this that I'm even running? Oh, this is the thing that gets the latest YouTube broadcast. Never mind. So it says that it's already stored in the database because I guess I already ran it successfully, maybe. All right. So if I come to here and go to my dashboard, we should see. I gotta load it manually like a freaking. But we should see the thing. So building YouTube / wait. What? Oh, I can click it. Oh shit, I didn't even know that. What the hell? Man, I did not know I can click it. I just learned something. I'm looking for today's date and I don't see it. So I think this is a perfect opportunity to go to my YouTube table. This maybe. Oh no, what is it called? I don't know, this video table, yeah, that. I want this to be sorted because for reasons, it should be sorted. I don't know how you sort in Supabase land. Normally I would think it's like order by, it's order maybe, okay. And I can tell it which column maybe, so we'll say created at. Descending. Can I do that? Ascending is false. I think that means descend. I don't actually know. I'm dumb. Okay, yeah, that was it. Right, perfect. So I'm not dumb. I'm smart. I lied. Okay, so wait. No shit. No, maybe I spoke too soon. Yeah, I did. I spoke too soon. Either I didn't name this properly or I don't know. It doesn't matter. Yo, man, I need some programmers for my project. I mean, cool. What's your question? Where's my mouse? Okay, here it is. I'm like, where did my mouse go? And what's up with that flash? Y'all see that flash? Okay, it's just not gonna do it no more. There it is. You see that? I hate that. It only happens after a certain amount of renders or refreshes. Okay, I gotta figure out why. Oh shit, I keep forgetting that I can click these. I gotta figure out why I am not seeing my latest video, even though it says that it's already in the database. I don't believe that it's already in the database, unless I forgot to update all of my video records to the right user ID because I have a new user ID. So we are building YouTube /live integrations. Yeah, this isn't here. It's not here. So something is lying about data being already in there. let's run through this again. And I got to figure out where I say that it's already stored in the database. So it's right here. So it may be this double not. Now that I've updated this, I may be getting the thing that I actually think I'm getting and not undefined. No, I could get back. No, never mind. Let's see what I'm getting. I think it's that double not though. All right, we don't need to do that anymore. All right, we will go to the next. Data null. Oh, it is null. Wait, data null. The result contains 0 rows. That's good. That's what I want. Okay, I see what the issue is. Types. It's always types. This is data, and this should be error. So what I really want to say is that if there is data, then that's what I really want to say here. Now, why can I not read? Okay, I see. So this is the video data. We'll just call it video data, and this is going to be video error, which I may not even use because honestly, yeah, I won't even use. I don't even care about the error. So we'll call this video data instead so that it doesn't complain. So yeah, this was fake. So it wasn't completing because of that. Let's move on. Credentials. Credentials. Oh, we don't have that anymore. It even cleans up my types. Look at that. I love things. I love it when things make other things easier to deal with. Okay. Let's try this again. This time I should get back an actual result that's not already in the database. Okay, and it's gonna post it to Slack. Oh, we get a 500 error. Fuck. But it wrote to the database. That's all that matters. So if we load the video, we should see it. Yeah, here it is right here. Although the description, I thought I wrote a description. Maybe I didn't. I would expect the description to be here. Anyways, I guess there's that part. The next step is to make sure I'm not referencing Google API tokens anywhere else in my project. So it's in types, can't do anything about that. This is where I want to change things. So instead of inserting into this, what I instead want to do is serialize this and then merge it with the object that's already in that particular column and then commit it. I think that's what I want to do. Yeah, that sounds right. That feels right. Update refresh. Okay. I'm calling update refresh. Okay, so okay. I see what's, there's more than just that then. I wonder if I already have some of these because I see, no, I don't. So I need to convert all of these. So, all right, I see what I've done. So I've converted Google creds, the most important one. That's the thing that I need to do first, just to get the credentials. Once I get the credentials, I can then update the access token and then update the refresh token and all of that kind of stuff. But instead of doing this on the Google API tokens, I'm going to do that on the profile column, or the profile table in the column. So this is going to be two, same API. We're going to do profiles. And the thing that I want to update is the integration credentials or something like that. And access token. Access token. Oh, I see. Okay. I don't know if I need functions to do just this. This would be a helper function. What I would likely want is just a generic function. I'm going to make this generic first because I can use it for all these other ones. So instead of giving a token, what I'm going to expect here is credentials. So we're going to call this update credentials. So there will only be one of these credentials. All right, and we're going to take in credentials. Credentials, and this is going to be the integration configuration. We'll call this update configuration. Watch, I already have this in here somewhere. Update integration config. We'll call it that. Oh, and I already have it. Okay. Look at that. Wow. Forward thinking. I already have this. All right. So then we'll delete that. And I'll call the other one. Update configuration. Yeah, I'll just undo all of whatever I was doing there. Where did that function go? Where is it? I thought I just saw it. Oh, there we are. Update. Here we are. Okay, so we have this. I don't think I need to JSON stringify that. Or maybe I do. Sure, whatever. We'll stringify. We'll keep doing that. So we're going to update config. Where was I calling the other one? Here. So instead of calling update refresh token, what I instead want to do is call update whatever the other thing is. I forgot what it's called. But I can't just do it willy-nilly here, right? I have to also pass in the current credential or configuration, because I gotta merge it. So it's a little bit more effort than just, do the thing. But yeah, let's try to do the thing. So we're gonna go back to wherever I'm doing this, which is right here. Oh wait, no, I could just do it here. Yeah, we take care of it right here. So I think I called it update integration config here. Right. So what I want is to also have a config. No, I don't actually. It should know about that. We don't want it to know about that. Yeah, I don't care. It's gonna have to know about it. So we're gonna do integration configuration. So we have our update, whatever that is, and it takes in the UID, the config, and the config, I guess. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the config dot whatever that is, and the thing that's being updated in this case is the refresh token. So we'll say refresh token. And I think I made this read only, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, it is read only. Okay. So what I'm gonna have to do is spread this in. Okay, god damn it. So we're gonna call this new config, updated config, new config, and it will be. I'm gonna type it strongly because this could really I can mess shit up here. So we're gonna spread out config. What the fuck? Do I not know how spread works? Is that it? That has to be it. I thought I could use spread here. Okay, and then we're gonna do YouTube. Or maybe I can just do GitHub and then spread out whatever's in the config GitHub. How about that? All right, I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I'm just gonna pass in my new config. I know that that's gonna be there. And then Google is the one that's changing, but I still can't. I wonder if I have some like weird thing that's preventing me from doing this. All right, this is interesting to me. Normally you can do spread syntax. No, I was actually the opposite of vacation. I was at work. So I could do that, but oh my god, I don't like this. How long have I? Oh man, it's only been an hour. That's cool. I wasn't planning to stream that long anyways. Not at least, not the first half of the day. I'm gonna come back a little bit later, probably. But yeah, I now have an acquaintance. Like I'm reacquainted myself with the project and what was going on. I haven't done really since. All right, it went out again. I'm like, what is it? My watch? But I don't even have my watch on. Sometimes I can have my watch on and I'll accidentally tap it and it'll stop music on whatever device I'm listening to. It's really annoying. But yeah, I got to figure out why I can't spread, because I do not want to have to do what I was going to have to do. Because essentially what I need to do is spread out. Oh wait, maybe I can just do config. Just spread out config in general. How about that? Can I just do that? Oh, I could just do that. Okay, and then maybe Google is just going to be what it is. Yeah, I don't have to do anything for Google anymore. And then Google would be whatever's in config Google, I guess. And then the refresh token will be the new refresh token. Something like that. This is what I want, right? Honestly, I don't even want this part. I just want to be able to like just do config and then just pass in the update and then have it get merged. Let's see if Copilot can do something. I turned on Copilot and it still hasn't done anything helpful for me. But maybe today will be the day. Possibly. Yeah, this is wrong. Or, yeah, this is wrong. Because it could be either or. Not both. Or maybe, oh wait, no, never mind. If token, oh yeah, it's either or, yeah. I'm gonna have to do the same thing over here too. So I really gotta figure out how I can do this right here. Do I just make it, you know what? I think I do. I think that is the solution. It's to just, this is gonna be the schema, so it will be there, always. It may be like empty or null, like the actual object, but these will always be there. So the key should always exist. The value may be undefined, but the key doesn't have to exist. Yeah, I think that's it. So we'll say or null. I think that's what I was going for. I'm using null because I'm going to explicitly have to set it. All right, so now this should be a little happier. Oops. Oh, did I not get the type right still? No, I didn't. ideally I would get this type from the database, but you know, this is a JSON thing. So I won't have this, unfortunately. I'm just going to delete Slack for now because it will break when I try to access Slack on accident. And I probably won't remember why it's broken. So I'm going to do what's actually in the database right now, even though this isn't the type. I'm going to make it type, but this is what's in the database right now. So we'll just redo that, and now that fixes all of that. So we go into, we grab our configuration, and then we go into the Google thing. I wonder if I can just grab refresh token. Can I just do that? No, I can't. Okay, damn it. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna just take this little statement right there and just throw it here and delete this. This is ugly. Oh gosh, it's real ugly, but it's, yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it. So we're no longer doing that, so we'll delete it. And then I'm gonna remove this, or I'm not remove it, but put this here. And this is going to be the access token this time. And then this is going to be access token. I'm glad that it gave me the error right there. That's good. It gave me the error. So at least it's giving me type support. Okay. So let's go back to Supabase and confirm that the update, whatever that function was called, make sure that that's good to go. Why is this complaining at me? I think it's this right here that I should be able to get rid of. It says I'm using it in another place though. Oh, just there. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Oops, update access token. Yeah, we'll get rid of these two. All right, so we'll delete these. Okay. What I see. Oh, appreciate the music, man. And nice to have you here. Feel free to chime in whatever you like. All right, just Google creds too. Why are we failing now? It wasn't failing before. I wonder, oh, you know what it is? I know what it is. Isn't that silly? Now what's this? Register event handlers. I need to also pass in the configuration. And cool thing is that I can get that configuration from the profile. So we'll do profile.integration creds. The type null is not assignable to whatever this type is. Ooh, why is it null? Yeah, why is that null? I know why it's null. It's because as a part of my initialization of a profile, I'm now going to have to create a default empty state of this JSON. Oh gosh, this is the This is the reason why I don't like doing JSON and Postgres. It's because you have to do all of it on your own. You can't lean on the database to do anything for you. It's not that big of a deal though. I'll just deal with it. But for now, we're going to do this because we know that it exists. Oh, whoa. That is still not happy about that. Oh, it thinks that it's okay. Let's see, as integration configuration. How about that? This is going to be interesting. I'm going to see what this does. Still in the same context. Let's see what profile comes back with. Get integration credentials. I wonder if the registration of event handlers happened. If okay. All right, we got a new access. Wait, why did I get a new? Okay, never mind. That makes sense. All right, that seems to have worked. JSONB, yeah. Oh shit! Oh fuck! I forgot. If you click it, it does it. I need to make this. I need to add a hover state to these rows at some point, just so that I know that I'm actually hovering over something. I might click it. All right, it seems to be working, which is the worst kind of working in my opinion, where it seems to work. You never know. All right, I'm gonna delete all of that. Let's get all this going. Make sure we're good. Integration button. Oh, okay. Maybe I should re-add that at some point. All right. Now what's wrong now? Technically, I don't want this add GitHub credentials. We're not going to do this. Why is it called create? Oh, okay. I forgot. This is just yeah. This route is not done. It looks dumb. There's going to be a setup GitHub and then all of the other stuff. So let's add GitHub credentials. This is coming from my database now, or it should. And this did work too, but I don't think I want this anymore. This add GitHub credentials. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. All right, I no longer need to get integration configuration because that comes from the profile. I no longer need to do this add Google credentials because that happens all in one go. And yeah, now we're back to here, so we'll organize. So I'm going to return back is the profile, which should have all the other stuff on it, hopefully. Status will be a 200 for now. That's already what I was doing, I guess. I didn't realize that, but oh well. All right, so now I'm going to call this create GitHub file. Let's take this here. We get unauthorized. The hell? I wonder if this wants the integration key or if it wants. It probably wants the integration key, or maybe I can do both. I've actually forgotten. All right, we get a 200. Okay. But no data. That doesn't make sense. Unless it didn't find the profile attached to that particular request. We definitely found the profile. Yeah, why am I not getting the profile here? Interesting. All right, what if I do this? Will I get it then? Oh wow, I had JQ in there. Oh my gosh, that's damn. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, that's good to know for in the future. All right, so I am getting back a profile. That's good. Just do a little bit of committing. All right, look at that. Commit done. So I might come back second half a day, maybe. We'll see. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and call it. Hopefully, I can't even speak anymore. Hopefully, got some out of it. If you were able to follow along and you have questions, or if you're just like, why are you doing something a certain kind of way, feel free to drop it in the comments, like video comments in the VOD. That's going to publish very soon. If you are lost, if you're not sure what's going on, you can always feel free to ask. I can always go back and talk about other things, whether it be the stack or specific tooling that I'm using or specific technologies, that kind of thing. Well, to be honest, you didn't come that late. I normally stream for 2 hours, sometimes 3, but yeah, it feels like I've been streaming for a long time already, even though it's only been for an hour. So it's not you, it's me. How often do I stream? It depends. So I try to hit a goal of 3 per week. But if I have travel or if I have other things that, that I have to do that's making me go out and about into the real world, then I may only get 2 or 1 or none. I haven't streamed in the past 2 weeks because I've been going. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. I didn't stream last week or this week. I don't know. It's been like 5 or 6 days since my last stream. And the reason behind that is because I've been in California on a team mini summit. So yeah. But yeah, I'm glad to have you along. Feel free to subscribe here on YouTube, or you can follow me on Twitch. and on Twitter or LinkedIn and all of the things. If you go to my channel and you go to my About Me, I have a link tree. Just click that and you can follow me everywhere there. I am Will Shepherd everywhere. And yeah, if you have ideas, like because this is this what you're watching, this is something that I do only here for the most part. So I'm building it live. So if you want to see all of the history, just go back into the previous VODs. If you don't care about the history, I don't mind. That's fine. Just stay here for the future. And if you have ideas of the things that I can do to move it forward, that would be great. I'll take it. Before I leave, I'll drop you with this. What I'm building is a bot for automating a lot of the streaming and video publishing workflow that I do now. That includes being able to see my stream manager, being able to click into it from Slack, being able to have my video transcripts automatically generated, and then create a video description from that, but also in Slack so that I can do whatever edits I want and approve it before it gets published. So I'll also do my amplification across social media. So if I publish a video, instead of me having to go in and figure out what to type and what to say, it'll come up with the messaging based off of the video that I just did, and then it can stage those to be posted on all of the social media platforms that I currently have. There's some other things going on too, but I think that's enough for now, right? I'm sure you noticed this GitHub thing, this right to GitHub, that's commented out. Oh, you don't see it. I'll go back to it. This right to GitHub, that's commented out. That actually does work. It does right to GitHub. So there's some GitHub integration and some other integrations that I haven't talked much about here, but in the future, when I get past this migration of authentication strategy, then we'll get more into the other automations that I'm building. So hopefully that gives you a decent answer. It's like, whether or not you've missed anything or if this is worth tagging along for. I think it is. Anyways, I'm out for today. Y'all have a good rest of the, I'm out for now. Maybe. Y'all have a good rest of the weekend. Peace.